guys, today I have to get, this is feeling strange. Let me put it this way. Right to the side so I don't look weird. But I have to get a lot done today. So first, I had to do all this laundry because the Dean has been traveling for literally a month straight. Literally a month straight. And I've been traveling for 2 weeks. So we just got back from our travels. I came back from Miami. He came back from Houston. And he has to leave again tomorrow. He's leaving it tomorrow and won't be back until the 14th. And today is the 4th. So 5th to the 14th. He will be out of here. So I have to wash all his clothes because he's literally been traveling for a month and hasn't cleaned them. So I have to clean them for him right quick so that when he leaves tomorrow, he's clean. And then I had to do my nails because since I've been traveling for like 2 weeks and I did them 3 weeks ago, I usually do them every 2 weeks. And so I'm actually making a separate vlog for that, talking about the whole design process, because I really wanted to do something different for my nails, even though these were so good, but they're so grown out. I'm ready to take them off. So that's probably the next thing I'm gonna do. I'm also have to do my hair. I'm gonna dye it too. You can't see because I've headband, but it needs to be re-dyed. And I don't have like any of my stuff here. I think I left a lot of stuff at my mamacita's house, at my parents' house, and like my diffuser and stuff because I was there before I left when I went to Arizona. So I don't have my diffuser and all my hair stuff, but I've been wanting to make flaxseed gel really bad. Oh, I had to pop all these nails off. I've been wanting to make flaxseed gel really bad, so that's like perfect because it could be deep conditioner, it could be my curly hair leave-in conditioner, like it can be all that stuff that I need. So I DoorDashed that. I actually think, I got this toilet bowl cleaner on my phone. I actually think that I think I DoorDashed it. So I think it's actually here, but I'm not going down for a minute. I don't feel like going downstairs to get it. Oh, 6 out of 7 items done. So I just put the laundry in. I didn't put this in. I just put the laundry in and now we're gonna do my nails and then I'll probably do the hair stuff after. I might have to do the hair stuff tomorrow because I don't leave until Saturday. I don't leave until the 7th. Why is that so soon? Like, I literally can't believe how fast these days are going by. I don't have enough time. But I have to make sure I dye my hair and everything before I'm traveling again. But, yes, I got one off. What was I about to say? But yeah, so we might either do my hair today or tomorrow. But overall, house needs a clean. Life needs a clean, just need a little refresh. So that's what we finna do. Across the ocean, across the sea. Okay, let's get all these nails off first. I got one. They literally haven't been done in so long. Oh, I also have to finish crochet pieces, but I don't know if I'll put that in here. I made my one cousin a piece because she was begging and her older sister. I didn't get to finish her, so I feel bad. So I'm gonna try to get that done as soon as possible. Guys, my nails ended up taking forever. You'll see all my complications I ran in when I was doing my nail vlog. But next we have, so here are the finished nails. Next I have to keep doing laundry. I have to transfer all my clips because my camera actually ran out of space, so I have to record on my phone. Then I'm gonna make my flaxseed gel. And I think that's most, I have to do homework. The to-do list is to-do listing today. I'm not trying to do all that. All right, let's go make some flaxseed gel. First, the flaxseed. Hey, baby, what you know? I literally went to ShopRite and couldn't find this anywhere, so I had to DoorDash it because I couldn't figure out where to find it. Okay, what else do I need? I think we're supposed to boil 2 cups of water. I have a small pot. Oh, we couldn't figure out the small pot, so I only have a big pot. Oh, well. Oh wait, you know what? I could, no, I'm not. I can't make decisions right now. I do have a little kettle. Close the door and open up to me. I'm dyeing my, ooh, I just scratched my hair and I had bleach in it. I'm dyeing my roots. And I made the flaxseed gel, but I don't know. I feel like I did it wrong. Like, it didn't come out as that much. And unfortunately, that's the only leave-in conditioner I have, and hair mask that I also have. So we're just gonna have to use it sparingly. But this, I just have to wait for this to dye. Oh. And this is already pretty dyed. And then I have to wash it out. But I don't like how the word dye is also the same as the word dye. Like, there's so many letters and sounds in the world, you couldn't figure out a different one. But I guess Latin words have multiple meanings. I understand why people learn Latin, because honestly, like, you could learn any language, I feel like, because it's like the Latin root is a lot of words. Like, I think like ped is for foot, and so like podiatrist, ped in Spanish. I don't know, maybe the bleach is getting to my head. You ain't got love too much. So much props to people who vlog, because I already don't want to do half the stuff I have to do today or this weekend or whatever, and the thought of like, I keep forgetting that I'm supposed to trying to record this and vlog, and I do like a lot of these vlogs and I love to watch them. I look back, especially when I'm traveling, I look back and I watch them and I like seeing where I was at that point, what I was doing, who I was with, stuff like that. But actually making the vlogs is really difficult for me. I don't know. But another part of that is I don't want to do half the stuff I have to do today. So I finished my hair, I did my hair, I found some lashes, got some prettiness, and then I went to get my DoorDash order of all the cleaning supplies I need, because there's something in my fridge that once we came back from traveling stunk. And like, Dean had already cleaned out, I think I left a cucumber in there, but he already cleaned it all out and it still smells so bad, so I have to like deep clean it. I'm gonna use vinegar, baking soda, all that jazz. And then I just finished my schoolwork. I'm going to paint my toes now, so maybe I'll paint my toes, paint my toes, clean out the fridge completely, and I want to like deep clean the whole house. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow. Like, maybe I'll just do the fridge today and deep clean the whole house tomorrow, and then I will edit and crochet a sweater. I'm so annoyed because I lost my hard drive with all my other stuff, all my old projects on it, and I have to find that, but I feel like it's in a hotel somewhere. And I don't want to accept that fact. I feel like it has to be here. It has to be in this apartment somewhere, even though I looked everywhere, but that's besides the point. Let's do my toes now. I'm actually going to do a French tip. I usually do, let me actually cut the first. I usually just do white, but I have done French tip before, and I did like how that turned out. So we're gonna do, I feel like that one lasts longer and it looks cleaner, because since most of it is like a nude color, I don't even know if I have a toenail clipper in here. I feel like it's in my crochet hooks bag, because that's what I used to cut stuff. I just don't feel like getting anything.
Wavy hair in the moonlight gleam, heart of gold like a summer dream. Charming look makes the stars beam. Swinging music lets the soul scream. Eyes so deep like the ocean swirl. Dancing feet spinning like a whirl. Every single
The toes are done. They look very cute. I thought I had paint on my finger. So now I'm going to edit and watch the Spurs game because that is where the love of my life is right now. As in, he's videographer for a player on the Spurs, not a basketball player. He's actually so bad at basketball, it's actually very painful to watch. Like, he's athletic, but he's so bad. He's so bad at basketball. Where's the game? You know, I kind of want to eat, and I kind of have to clean still. See, that's the thing. Like, I start to do something, and then my brain... Wait, is it... The game starts at 8. Where the heck is it? And then my brain literally just thinks about all the other things I have to do, and then... Oh my god, I'm getting like PTSD from watching this. His player, guess who his player... Oh, there he goes. That's who his player is. His hair is growing back. Let me see how many points he has. Basketball in a minute, and why does he actually look very different than when I last saw him? Wait, how many points? Oh, 17 points. They were literally waiting for me to look. Good, good. Most in crocheting is just rectangles. When I tell you, there are 0 parts of me that want to clean this fridge. 0 parts of me. Like the way Dean, if he was home for 1 extra day, would be cleaning this fridge and not me. Just, man, like, this is too short. So you're gonna get the lower ankle of me. Let me put this away first. But it needs to get done, because every time I open the fridge, it literally stinks. Alright, let me see my recipe. I have a headache, guys. This is annoying.
I'm gonna clean it with vinegar. I'm gonna take everything out. Oh, it's gonna smell so bad. Okay. Put the baking soda in there. This is what we're gonna do. I ask a lot. So, take everything out. Throw away everything. That smells bad. Bad smells. Okay, just checking. Wash inside. Warm water plus dish soap. Yeah, we'll do that. Mix one of these cleaning stations and then wipe shelves, drawers. Okay.
Off topic, but I have been so excited for my laundry beads to run out because I smelled this at Lowe's like so long ago and I wanted it so bad. So now, but I was like, I'm not gonna buy it if I have a full thing of beads, but I've literally been trying to. Shut up, bro. So good. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, I got a fridge. It says buy 2. 1 for fridge, 1 for freezer. I don't put 1 in the freezer. I actually did everything I was supposed to do. I have an apartment right now. It has bathroom, bed. Okay, why is he talking? Bathroom. I'm not expecting his voice to be that low. Bathroom, bedroom, closet, laundry, like washer, dryer, living room, little sitting area, kitchen, front room, another closet, whatever. Basically, not a big place. When I have a house and I have to clean all of it, I'm not gonna, because that was exhausting. But it's all clean. I wiped down all the counters, I sweeped, I Swiffered, and just moved everything that's supposed to go. For a house we barely stay in, I feel like stuff gets moved on all over the place. But I did everything I was supposed to do. The last thing I have to do is crochet my cousin's sweater, but this is the end of the video. I'm not adding that in here. And I'm kind of beat, quite frank. So, just gonna chill and crochet. Thanks for watching.